Good day, everyone. This is Mr. Chu, your professor in Information Technology for Teachers course. This video aims to help you keep track of the expected outputs that need to be submitted before midterms. These requirements are easy to do, but it takes time to comply. So, if possible, take one step at a time to finish and comply the entire task on time. So let's get started. This subject emphasizes on technology integration in enhancing teaching and learning process. With this, we will utilize the commonly used technology in your workplace. Add a little spice on it to make classroom instruction fun and interesting. The first thing to consider is to choose a topic or any lesson of interest. With it, write a lesson plan using MS Word software. Second is to create 3 presentation outputs using MS PowerPoint, namely a lecture presentation of the main lesson with narration, an interactive game or quiz using the hyperlink function of the software, and a converted PowerPoint presentation lecture video. For lecture presentation, just focus on the discussion part of the lesson. For interactive quiz, you may utilize the questions in practice exercises or quizzes of the lesson plan. Now, the easiest output for PowerPoint is the third, because you only need to save the lecture presentation in different format, which is a video format known as WMB file. Third is to create a picture puzzle using MS Excel. Now, aside from it, develop another interesting game in Excel. Crossword maybe, or whatever that is. Just make sure that these games are in line to the chosen topic or lesson. Fourth is to create any 2 outputs in MS Publisher, like flyer perhaps, or brochure, or whatever that is. Fifth is to develop Who Wants to Be a Millionaire's game using XML program. Don't worry, you will not program any XML. Instead, you will only edit the back end of the XML program using Notepad. I will provide the zip file for the game, an instructional video on how to edit the XML file. The other game is to be developed is a 4x4 Jeopardy game using PowerPoint. This game must be accompanied by sound effects, narration, and animation to make the game interesting. Lastly, the sixth is to look for 2 Android applications that help students understand the chosen topic or lesson. But remember, you don't need to develop an Android app. All you need to do is to find it. And that's it. Technology integration would be easy to implement if you know the appropriate tool to use and have enough knowledge and skills in manipulating those tools. To sum up, you need to come up 12 outputs for integration. By the way, aside from these outputs of integration, you are also required to do other tasks, such as to create your personal calling card and a 1-month calendar plan using MS Publisher. Now, these outputs must be submitted in 2 forms: hard copy and soft copy. And also write a comprehensive review of the Android apps that you chose. State the advantages, limitations, capabilities, and system requirements of the said app. Rate the app from 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest. Therefore, the total outputs that needs to be submitted is 17. So I'm done. For more questions, just message me in our discussion board. Feel free to review this video as many times as you want. See you in the next tutorial.